Leo hungry? Is that the Leo hungry call? What's the matter, buddy? I think Leo wants dinner.
You have to give him some nibbles.
What's up, buddy? Are you hungry? Yeah?
He's a good boy.
Yeah? You want mommy to feed you?
Well, it's always mommy.
Mommy's writing a check.
Yeah. That thing people don't do anymore. Mommy still does it. Mommy's old school.
What's the matter, buddy? You hungry?
Yeah. Mommy uses paper cuts too.
You want to talk about it?
It hurts.
Yeah? How much you want a whole bowl or just a half a bowl of food?
All of it.
A whole bowl?
As much as you can.
That's one hungry boy. I know. Baby girl's like, what's his problem? Huh, baby? What's Leo's problem, huh? He just said, man. He said the same thing over and over again. Man. Huh, Leo?
He knows.
A good boy. Yeah.
He's fluent in MAOW.
He's a hungry boy. All right. I just thought I'd let everybody know how loud you are. I just got the tail end of that loudness. Thanks for watching.